Good morning, my dear students of class 8. In algebra, as we have already completed factorization, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is exercise 14, HCF and LCM of algebraic expression. HCF, first we will start with HCF. HCF is the highest common factor or greatest common divisor. To find out HCF, first we will resolve each term into least prime factors. Step 1, resolve each term into prime factors. Then we will find out the common factors, and the third step we will find out the lowest power of the common factors. So we have to follow 3 steps. First resolve it into prime factors, then we will find out the common factors and then lowest power of the common factors. So let's start with exercise 14 that you have in page 136. 4a square b square and 20ab square. The first term is 4a square b square. 4a square b square can be written as 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into a square into b square, and second term is 20ab square. 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into a into b square. 2 into 2 again can be written as 2 square into 5 into a into b square. Next, in between these two terms, this is the first term, this is the second term. After resolving it into prime factors, first find out what are the common terms. 2 is a common term. 2 is present here. 2 is present here also. A is another common term. A is present here, A is present here. B is also a common term, but 5 is not a common term. So we have to find out the least power of 2. Least power of 2 is here, 2 square. Least power of A is A and least power of B is B square. So HCF or GCD is 4AB square. So first we will find out the common terms, then the lowest power of the common terms.